Nobody's moving. Look at it.
It was filming, then it turned around and found us down there.
Nobody can get it. 40 mile an hour, we're lucky if we can do 40. Everybody's out. Hey! All right, chap. What's it like? All the jackknife lorries up on your side, all the way up. They can't get up this slight incline. Okay. At what is it? Blackburn. Is it up? It's slushy, rainy, but going further up Lake District way, it's as bad as this. It's like I said to somebody up there. We've been trying to get back from Aberdeen since 1:30 this afternoon. Okay, and we've got the other side of Wolverhampton to get to. So, all right. So take care. Yeah.